Class 11 students, I have started compound angles. So all the formulas I have given how to solve this sum. Today I am starting from number 23. Given cot alpha equal to 2 tan beta, then I have to find the value of this expression. Now since cot alpha equal to 2 tan beta, you break down. Cot means cos by tan, tan means sin by cos. Now do cross multiplication. Cos alpha cos beta equal to 2 sin alpha sin beta here. Now the expression you take, cos alpha minus beta cos alpha plus beta. So the formula cos A minus B, that is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, and cos A plus B formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now see, cos alpha cos beta equal to 2 sin alpha sin beta, so you put this value here. Similarly this one you put here. Now 2 sin alpha sin beta plus sin alpha sin beta, that is 3 sin alpha sin beta, and here sin alpha sin beta. So sin alpha sin beta cut 3 by 1, that is 3. This is the answer. Next, given tan x plus tan y equal to A, tan y plus tan z equal to B, we have to prove that 1 by A plus 1 by B equal to cot x plus y. So left hand side you take 1 by value of A, that is tan x plus tan y you put, minus 1 by B, B value is cot y plus cot x. Now tan means 1 by cot, tan means 1 by cot. Do LCM cot x cot y, that will go up, here cot y, here cot x, here, that is cot x plus cot y, and here as it is. Now take LCM cot x plus cot y, cot x plus cot y. So cot x cot y minus 1. The formula is cot x plus y. This one formula is cot x plus y, because cot A plus B formula cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. This is the formula of cot A plus B. Then we have to prove that this is equal to 3 by 2. Now see, this one is here, this one cos A plus B whole square, that is cos A plus B formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B formula cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now put the value of cos 60 sin 60, cos 60 sin 60 here. So this is half, you can take half common, then cos A minus root 3 sin A, and if you take half common, cos A plus root 3 sin A. So A minus B whole square plus A plus B whole square formula 2 into A square plus B square. So 2 into A square means this one square, so 1 by 4 cos square A, and this one square means 3 by 4 sin square A. Now you see, 4 is the, if you multiply 2 inside, so 2 into 1 by 4, that is half cos square A, and here 2 into 3 by 4, that is 3 by 2 sin square A. Now take LCM, LCM is 2, so 2 cos square A plus cos square A plus 3 sin square A. So cos square plus 2 cos square, 3 cos square A plus 3 sin square A. 3 you take common, cos square plus sin square is 1. So 3 into 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2, so right hand side has come. This sum is similar like previous sum, so you can understand this. Now this one you do, sin A plus B formula sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Here A, B. A is this, B is this. Similarly cos A minus B formula cos A cos B minus will be plus cos A minus B formula cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Sin A minus B formula sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos A plus B formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now you factorize this one, these two factor, and this one also factorize, this one will cut. So this is left and that is equal to right hand side. It is proved. Now this one we have to split up this in terms of sin A, cos A, cos sin A, cos A, sin B, cos B, sin C, cos C. You have to express like this. So sin A plus B plus C, you first consider this one as A, this one as B. Then sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Then sin A plus B formula sin A cos B plus cos A sin B into cos C. Cos A plus B formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B into sin C here. Now cos C you multiply inside, cos C multiply, sin C multiply, sin C multiply here. That is the answer. Here we have to find the value of tan 2 alpha. Now tan 2 alpha, you can write alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. Then beta beta cancel, but I am not cancelling. To show you that alpha plus alpha, that is only left. But I have written in this way. Then apply tan A plus B formula. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Now tan alpha plus beta this angle. Tan alpha minus beta this angle. Separately I have drawn. So alpha plus beta, tan means perpendicular by base 3 by 4. Tan alpha minus beta perpendicular by base 5 by 12. Similarly this one put here and simplify, get answer. This sum number 30, you have to find the minimum value and maximum value of this one. So the sum, carefully you see, it is different. The technique to do this sum, it is different. You consider 7 equal to r cos alpha and 24 equal to r sin alpha. This one you can consider because sin alpha value and r, it will be adjusted if you take two different. So r cos alpha equal to 7 you consider, r sin alpha equal to 24 you consider. Then if you square, then r square cos square alpha equal to 7 square, r square sin square alpha equal to 24 square. Let's say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. If you add 1 and 2, then left side is this and here left side is this and right side is this, right side is this. If you take r square common, then cos square alpha plus sin square alpha left, this one here, this one here. Now cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal to 1. R square equal to 625 means r equal to 25. Now we know minus 1 less equal to cos 1 angle less equal to 1. This is one formula, you have to memorize this formula. Minus 1 less equal to cos theta less equal to 1. Theta means one angle, so alpha theta minus alpha also one angle. So minus 1 less equal to cos any angle less equal to 1. You have to memorize this. Now multiply everything by 25. So 25, 25, 25. So see here, value of 7 that is r cos alpha, value of 24 that is r sin alpha, r you take common, then cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta, formula is sin alpha minus beta. So here theta minus alpha. So cos theta minus alpha, r value here, value of r 25 you put. So this one I have taken here. So this one and this one is same. So this its minimum value is minus 25 and maximum value is plus 25. That means this one's minimum value is minus 25 and maximum value is 25. That is why I have written minimum value minus 25, maximum value 25. This is the answer. That's all for this video.